साथियों, 10 जून से मणिपुर के 10 विपक्ष पार्टी, 10 लाइक माइंडेड पार्टी इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि वो प्रधानमंत्री से मिलने का उनको अवसर मिले। आज हमारे साथ मेघचंद्र सिंह जी, जो मणिपुर कांग्रेस पार्टी के अध्यक्ष हैं, यहां हैं। KSH बीरेन सिंह जी, जो जनता दल यूनाइटेड के अध्यक्ष हैं, वो यहां मौजूद हैं। एल थोइरेन सिंह, जो CPI स्टेट काउंसिल के सेक्रेटरी हैं, यहां हैं। चौथे नंबर मैं गिनाऊंगा क्षेत्र नायम शांता, जो CPM स्टेट काउंसिल के सदस्य हैं। थोकचोम इनोचा सिंह, जो तृणमूल कांग्रेस के कन्वीनर हैं मणिपुर के, वो यहां मौजूद हैं। थिंगजाम विश्वनाथ सिंह, आम आदमी पार्टी के कोऑर्डिनेटर, यहां मौजूद हैं। KH ज्ञानेश्वर सिंह, ऑल इंडिया फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉक मणिपुर, यहां मौजूद हैं। सोराम इबोयामा सिंह, प्रेसिडेंट NCP मणिपुर, यहां मौजूद हैं। T देबानंद सिंह, प्रेसिडेंट शिवसेना उद्धव ठाकरे मणिपुर, यहां मौजूद है। और K मनोरंजन सिंह, RSP मणिपुर, यहां मौजूद है। तो 10 पार्टियां, कांग्रेस, जनता दल यूनाइटेड, CPI, CPM, तृणमूल कांग्रेस, आम आदमी पार्टी, ऑल इंडिया फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉक, NCP, शिवसेना UBT और रेवोल्यूशनरी सोशलिस्ट पार्टी RSP, ये 10 पार्टियां ने 10 तारीख को प्रधानमंत्री को लिखित में एक खत भेजा था कि हम आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं। आज भी वो इंतजार कर रहे हैं और हमारी आशा है, और ये लोग सब उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री 20 तारीख को अपनी विदेश यात्रा में जाएंगे, पर उसके पहले उनको कुछ समय मिलेगा इन 10 पार्टियों से मिलने का। ये यहाँ 2-4 दिन से रुके हुए हैं और 20 तारीख तक यहीं रहेंगे। मैंने पहले आपको कहा था कि 18 जून 2001, यानी कि ठीक 22 साल पहले, आज 17 जून है, कल 18 जून रहेगा, ठीक 22 साल पहले मणिपुर जल रहा था। अखबारों के हेडलाइन अगर आप देखेंगे, 19 तारीख के आपको खबर मिलेगी, इम्फाल जल रहा था, विधानसभा जलाया गया, स्पीकर का बंगला जलाया गया, चीफ मिनिस्टर सेक्रेटेरिएट जलाया गया, और करीब 3-3.5 महीने के लिए ब्लॉकेड रहा। 18 जून 2001 पहली बार मणिपुर जला। तब के प्रधानमंत्री श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी थे। सभी पार्टियों ने मांग की प्रधानमंत्री जी से कि हम आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं। 24 जून 2001 मैं पढ़कर सुनाऊंगा, ये PIB का रिलीज है। अब तक PIB ने इसको निकाला नहीं है अपने वेबसाइट से, आप भी जा सकते हैं। ये पीआईबी में 24 जून 2001 हेडलाइन है, ऑल पार्टी डेलीगेशन फ्रॉम मणिपुर मीट्स प्राइम मिनिस्टर। 18 जून को मणिपुर जल रहा है। 6 दिन बाद सर्वदलीय प्रतिनिधि मंडल प्रधानमंत्री से मिलता है। 6 दिन बाद। और यह प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय से क्या रिलीज आता है, मैं आपको पढ़ूंगा। An all-party delegation from Manipur called on the Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee here today, यानी कि 24 जून 2001. The delegation leaders submitted to him a memorandum. They gave a detailed account of the latest situation in Manipur. The Prime Minister gave them a patient hearing. दोहराऊंगा. The Prime Minister gave them a patient hearing. The Prime Minister referred to the unanimous decision taken at their meeting with the Home Minister, Shri L.K. Advani, yesterday, यानी कि 23 जून 2001, that various aspects arising out of the ceasefire will be reviewed. ये ceasefire नागाओं के साथ था, और ये जो हिंसा के घटना हुए थे, ये नागा ceasefire समझौता से लेकर हुआ था. He reiterated the union government's assurance that the territorial integrity of Manipur will be preserved. Another meeting with the leaders from Manipur would be held on the 8th of July 2001, by when the Home Minister would have returned from his tour. अडवाणी जी बाहर जा रहे थे, देश के बाहर. 8 जुलाई को उन्होंने फिर से इस डेलीगेशन से मुलाकात की. The Prime Minister has appealed to the people of Manipur. Prime Minister has appealed to the people of Manipur to maintain calm and help the administration in restoring normalcy in the state. They should not give any credence to rumors. ये प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय की ओर से एक रिलीज था, जो आज भी पीआईबी आर्काइव में आपको मिलेगा. यह है 24 जून 2001. हिंसा होता रहा, दंगे होते रहे, मणिपुर में शांति वापस नहीं आई. 8 जुलाई 2001, और ये भी पीआईबी के आर्काइव से हैं. आर्काइव का कुछ कभी कभी फायदा होता है विपक्ष की पार्टियों को. 8 जुलाई 2001 को प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स अपील टू द पीपल ऑफ मणिपुर. ये प्रेस रिलीज नहीं है, ये प्रधानमंत्री का अपील है मणिपुर की जनता को. मैं पढ़कर सुनाऊंगा. ये खुद प्रधानमंत्री का अपील है. प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं 8 जुलाई 2001 को, MPs and MLAs from all political parties from Manipur called on the Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee here today. यानी कि प्रधानमंत्री 24 जून को मिलते हैं सर्वदलीय प्रतिनिधि मंडल से, और 8 जुलाई को दूसरी बार मिलते हैं. 2 बार मुलाकात होती है प्रधानमंत्री की. फॉलोइंग इज द टेक्स्ट ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स अपील. ये मेरा शब्द नहीं है, प्रधानमंत्री का शब्द है, तत्कालीन प्रधानमंत्री का शब्द है. Following is the text of the Prime Minister's appeal on the occasion. I, Pradhan Mantri, I express the grief of the people of the country and my personal grief at the loss of precious innocent lives in Manipur. 15 लोग मारे गए थे 18 जून को. 15 लोग. As someone who is fully conscious of their sentiments, emotions, problems and grievances. I appeal to the people of Manipur to maintain peace and calm. It shall be the endeavor of my government to ascertain and understand the viewpoint of the people and redress them to the best of our ability through a process of democratic dialogue. I have already publicly assured the people of Manipur, and I once again reiterate that the territorial integrity of Manipur shall be maintained. The प्रधानमंत्री कहते हैं, I will take the first opportunity to be with you in Manipur. Shri Swami, जो MOS थे, has already interacted with you and brought your problems and grievances to my notice. I also invite various leaders of Manipur to come to Delhi and meet me personally so that your problems could be discussed in a free and frank manner. In the meantime, we shall review the ceasefire agreement, Naga ceasefire agreement, including the words without territorial limits presently incorporated in the agreement so as to ensure that all doubts about preserving integrity of Manipur and other states of the Northeast are removed. I once again appeal to you to remain calm and help the administration restore normalcy in the state to create a congenial environment for progress and development in Manipur. तो साथियों, प्रधानमंत्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी 2 बार मिलते हैं. प्रधानमंत्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी अपील करते हैं 2001 में, और आज हम यहां बैठे हुए हैं, 10 पार्टियों के अध्यक्ष बैठे हुए हैं, 40 दिन हो गए हैं, प्रधानमंत्री ने अपनी चुप्पी नहीं तोड़ी है. कोई बयान नहीं, कोई अपील नहीं, कोई संदेशा नहीं, और ये 3 दिन से यहां इंतजार कर रहे हैं. और अभी भी उम्मीद करते हैं कि 20 तारीख के पहले, उसके बाद में प्रधानमंत्री अमेरिका विजिट में व्यस्त हो जाएंगे और इजिप्ट भी जाना है. 20 तारीख के पहले इनको एक मौका मिलेगा. आज हमारे साथ मणिपुर के 3 ऐसे नेता हैं जो अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी से मिले थे. जो जब वो सर्वदलीय प्रतिनिधि मंडल पहली बार 24 जून को मिला था 2001 को, यहां वो मौजूद हैं, और मैं उनसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो आपसे बातचीत करें. वो करेंगे, पर उसके पहले हमारे मणिपुर के जो 15 साल लगातार मुख्यमंत्री रहे हैं, इबोबी सिंह जी कुछ बोलेंगे. मैं आपको ये भी कहना चाहता हूं कि हमारे बीच में मणिपुर विधानसभा के 2 पूर्व स्पीकर भी यहां मौजूद हैं. लोकेश्वर सिंह जी जो मौजूदा एमएलए हैं, और हेमचंद्र सिंह जी जो 5 साल तक स्पीकर रह गए. सभी पार्टियां यहां मौजूद हैं, और ये अभी भी इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि वो प्रधानमंत्री से मिलेंगे, उनको एक मेमोरेंडम पेश करेंगे, और खुले तौर से वो बात करेंगे कि क्या क्या और कदम लेने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि ये राज्य सरकार बिल्कुल विफल हो गया है. ये बिल्कुल साफ हो गया है कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से कोई उम्मीदें नहीं हम रख सकते. 100% फेल हो गया है. जो उम्मीदें हैं वो केंद्र सरकार से हैं. गृहमंत्री गए हैं, गृहमंत्री के जाने के बाद भी कुछ ज्यादा फर्क नहीं देखने को मिला. अभी उम्मीदें हैं मणिपुर के लोगों का प्रधानमंत्री पर, और हम निवेदन करते हैं, हम मांग करते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री जी कांग्रेस को भूल जाइए. आपने जवाहरलाल नेहरू को नाम तो मिटा दिया, पर अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी को याद रखिए, और जो उन्होंने अपील की है 24 जून को और 8 जुलाई को 2001, उससे तो कुछ सीखिए, इस डेलीगेशन से मिलिए, जनता के नाम पर एक अपील कीजिए, मणिपुर की बात कीजिए, मन की बात नहीं मणिपुर की बात, ताकि फिर से मणिपुर में अमन, शांति, सद्भावना आ सके। मैं पहले इबोबी सिंह जी से गुजारिश करूंगा और उसके बाद में जो 3 हमारे नेता हैं जो अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी से मिले थे, मैं उनसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो आपको संबोधित करें। इबोबी सिंह जी।
Friends from the media, both electronic and print media, Jairam Rameshji and other different like-minded 10 political parties, presidents, state secretaries, and some of other our like-minded 10 political party leaders. Last time also I have the privilege for speaking a few words. You people well aware that since May 3rd, Manipur has already been begin burning. Till today, it is still continuing. Every alternate day, or even every day also, including Honorable Union Minister of State, Rajkumar Ranjan Singh's house, also already burned day before yesterday. And hue and cry in different relief camps. More than 20,000, including women and children, are taking shelter in the relief camp. What is happening, you people can imagine easily. But till today, from Honorable Prime Minister of this country, didn't express anything what is happening there in Manipur. Now what we feel that it's not nice to mention that whether Manipur is a part of India or not. The question automatically it has arisen. If it is belongs within India, at least Honorable Prime Minister of this entire country, he should have to be expressed, even a single tweet in his mobile. So we don't know. That's why all these grievances, these 10 like-minded political party representatives, we have prepared one memorandum. We want peace. We are not coming here politicalize, not for politicalize. We are not coming here for taking political advantage. At least we want peace. Please help us. So enable Manipur to restore as early as possible. Then next step, it can be dialogue between the two communities and whomsoever. It can be start with the hope that still we hope we will definitely get at least some time within these 2-3 days before Honorable Prime Minister leave this country for foreign tour. So with this few words, as Jairam Rameshji already mentioned, this one, in 2001, what is happening there in 2001, by that time also BJP was ruled this country. What is happening there, I will not repeat. And By that time, all political party delegation met the then Honorable Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. We have got opportunity for meeting with him. Few of our honorable members are here. What he expressed from among those delegates, here is next to me, former Minister, JDU now, and Dr. Nimaisha Luang will say a few words about the delegation. He has got privilege of meeting the then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Dr.
Thank you, friends. My name is Dr. Nimaisha Luang. I am a retired professor of medical college. I have been elected to the assembly for 5 times. I was minister 4 times. Now I am in the JDU, National Council member. Of course, I was in the Congress also. Okay. Everyone knows what happened in Manipur. The violence started on the 3rd of May. Today is the 17th of May. Now it is almost 45 days, 17th of June, almost 45 days. Loss of lives is more than 120. It may be more because many bodies are still not taken off, and many people are missing. Injury more than about 400, maybe more. Displacement of more than 60,000 people. See, many people are in the relief camps in Manipur. Many people are taking shelter in the neighboring states like Mizoram, Assam, and many people are in Delhi as well. Many people are there. And burning of about 5,000 houses, homes. Many people have been rendered homeless. And there is loss of personal and government property of both the communities. Now, Honorable Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji visited Manipur very late. He visited on the 29th of May. That is after 26 days of the violence. They were busy in the Karnataka election. I still remember there was some deaths of some persons due to mishap of boat mishap in Kerala. During that time, Prime Minister immediately announced ex gratia of about 5 lakhs. No, not Odisha. 5 lakhs in Kerala. 2 lakhs, subject to correction. Then there was a train accident in Odisha. We are very unhappy. We condole their deaths, of course. Should not happen. Prime Minister immediately rushed within 8 hours. Now 45 days, Prime Minister has not said a single word about Manipur. After the visit of the Home Minister, people were expecting some peace. Even he stayed 3 days. The BJP, I don't know of national, but Manipur, they are very proud. They said that Home Minister came to Manipur, stayed 3 days. Very good. We thank him very much. But there was violence and burning of houses during his 3 days stay. They could not do anything. After the leaving of the Home Minister, violence is still continuing. Even you, friends, you will be aware that the house of the Union Minister in Manipur was burned down day before yesterday. His house was attacked previously also in the same period. Last night, a house was burned down in Imphal, say about 100 to 200 meters away from Chief Minister's bungalow. Now the government, the present government has totally failed to control the situation. They have miserably failed. And now people of Manipur, they have a view and thinking in their subconscious mind that there is no government in Manipur. There is no government in Manipur. Central government has appointed, constituted a committee known as not peace committee, unified command under the chairmanship of one retired DGP CRP. Almost every administration is taken over by him. Now people are confused whether the administration is run by the Chief Minister or by the unified command. This is the situation. Now, we will not speak too much now because we are waiting for the Prime Minister's appointment. Okay. Now, these 10 political parties, non-BJP, non-friends of BJP, I should say, we are against BJP in Manipur. We have formed a sort of association to work for the people. We have done a lot of work in Imphal also, but of no result. So we thought people of Manipur wants that we should go to Delhi with the Prime Minister. We want the Honorable Prime Minister to intervene and bring a solution and stop the violence, immediately stop the violence. We have... I'm coming. We have requested for appointment of the Prime Minister by sending a letter by email on 10 June 2023, and the same copy, a hard copy, have been submitted to the PMO on the 12th June 2023. Representatives of the 10 political parties, we are here and we are waiting for the appointment of the Honorable Prime Minister. We are still hoping that Honorable Prime Minister will give appointment to our group before Honorable Prime Minister leaves for his foreign tour. As mentioned earlier, Jairam Rameshji mentioned about another incident of violence, almost the same. This time the violence is between two communities. That time was the violence between the government and the public, because the ceasefire agreement of Naga undergrounds, NSNIM, was extended to Manipur. People don't like it. The people feel that if the ceasefire is extended to the state of Manipur, our territorial integrity is threatened. So this was the uprising by the people, and that incident, the violence took place only on one day. Only on one day. And that time, Honorable Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee paid a very, very important to that situation. Actually, we know, because that day when we met him, I was there, and when he came out, he was coming out in the wheelchair. We were told that he had a knee operation. Even after having the knee operation, he came out to meet with people, we discussed, and he has taken immediate action to address the grievances of the state of Manipur. So this is the brief. Now we are submitting a memorandum to the Prime Minister that will not disclose now. And we are still waiting for the appointment of the Honorable Prime Minister, and we'll wait for it. Thank you.
मैं अभी KSH बीरेन सिंह जी, नहीं बोलिए ना, बोलिए 2 मिनट बोलिए। ये मणिपुर जनता दल यूनाइटेड के अध्यक्ष हैं और वो भी वाजपेयी जी के डेलीगेशन में मिले थे।
Dear friends, I was also a member as a MLA in the meeting convened by this former Prime Minister अटल जी। मैं भी उसके मीटिंग में शामिल था, जैसे कि वो एकदम पेशेंट हियरिंग करके हम लोग का सब ग्रीवांसेस सुन लिया और बाद में हम लोग का मांग को पूरी कर दिया। और जैसे ही उसने हम लोग के अपॉइंटमेंट मांगा वो दिया था, वैसे ही हम लोग ये प्रेसिडेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ये मोदी जी हम लोग का अपॉइंटमेंट दे के सोच के उसकी उम्मीद है हम लोग, इसीलिए हम लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
डॉक्टर लोकेन
और एक और थे KH लोकेन सिंह जी।
Thank you, everybody. Before me, our senior leader, Dr. Michael Luang, already stated about the present scenario and present situation. Still, we are very much hopeful our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Modi ji, will give an appointment before visiting his foreign tour. He knows everything. Honorable Home Minister already apprised, and many intelligence working there in Imphal, Manipur, they have already reported to the Prime Ministers and the Home Ministers. The Honorable Home Minister knows everything. Still, we are very much hopeful. Honorable Prime Minister will give an appointment for us, all the 10 political party delegates here. We are here since 12th of this month, and the last 6 days we are here waiting. Thank you very much. I hope Honorable Prime Minister will give before. At that time, the Honorable Prime Ministers, those days I was a member, I was the MLA, Atalji warmly welcomed us. He patiently hearing what happened that time. Very patiently hearing, the considering all the grievances, whatever we put before him. Atalji did well and so happy. Like that, the Modi ji will do. That time also BJP government is here. Here now also BJP government is here. I hope the Modi ji will give the definitely appointment before leaving India. Thank you.
ओके कुछ सवाल है?
Union Home Minister Amit Shah, when visited Manipur, on the third day when he did a press conference, in a very starting statement, he blamed the Manipur High Court for giving the order in a hurry. And he said that because of this order, the entire violence erupted. My first question is, do these like-minded parties agree with the Home Minister's statement? My second question is, whether...
One question.
Frankly speaking, this is legal matter, and also somebody may say that it is sub judice. It is not nice to discuss on before the press. But since Amit Shah, the Honorable Home Minister, has already been mentioned. He is not supposed to mention, I hope, because it is in the purview of the court. But this is court, when they appeal, there are some interested group who are from among the ST should be included in the schedule of the ST, but that is not related with this incident. Frankly speaking, it is not related in this incident. Yes, in a democratic country, there are somebody may like to, the Meitei also should be included in the scheduled tribe list. But in the rally of the Churachandpur district, that is peaceful rally. After completion of that rally, there are simultaneously why it is happened in the valley, both in the hilly and the hill. But it is sorry, he should not be, instead of mentioning that, he should be try to contain peace as early as possible.
There is only one reason why Manipur is burning. It is the ideology of the RSS and the politics of the BJP. That's the only reason. Everything else is a diversion from this basic fact. It's the RSS ideology and the BJP politics. And it's not just confined to Manipur. Other states of the Northeast are also facing huge issues. So I think, whatever the Home Minister may say, this is the time for bringing peace and reconciliation. This is the time for dealing with all militant groups uncompromisingly. And this is really the time for abandoning the type of ideologies and politics that are dividing society, polarizing society, and using communities as vote banks. The delegation, इन्होंने कहा है, the delegation emailed the request on the 10th of June. On the 12th of June, this is the stamp of the PM's office. On the 12th of June, a physical copy asking for an appointment was also handed over. So, as I said, all the members are eagerly awaiting this appointment before the Prime Minister leaves on the 20th. No, I don't want to now go into the Prime Minister's psychology and his personality traits, why he is silent on China, why he is silent on so many other issues, that loss of employment, loss of jobs. Why is he silent on the enormous hardship caused by demonetization? Most importantly, 19th of June, day after tomorrow, 19th of June, marks the 3rd anniversary of his notorious statement, "Na koi aaya hai, na koi baitha hai." This clean chit that he gave to China 3 years ago on the 19th of June 2020. So I don't want to get into that. But I think his clean chit has cost the country dearly insofar as China is concerned. His continuing silence on Manipur is hurting the people of Manipur. You heard the former Chief Minister. 3 times he's been Chief Minister. 15 years he has run the state of Manipur. You heard him say what the people of Manipur feel, that the Prime Minister speaks on everything under the sun. Prime Minister is going to lead the world in yogasana on the 21st. But he doesn't have time to meet or speak or express something on Manipur. Of course, it reflects failure of governance.
Sir, as you have
And it reflects a very perverse mindset, I'm afraid.
Sir, as you have said, Manipur government has failed to bring peace in Manipur. Do you think this is the right time to implement president rule in Manipur?
Sorry, I can't hear. So please repeat.
Is the right time to implement president rule in Manipur as the state government has failed to bring peace in the state?
That is up to the central government what kind of action they should have to be initiated. It is up to them.
The delegation is also seeking time from the president.
I have very shortly said, Prime Minister can solve it. If Prime Minister takes action, there will be peace within 24 hours. What action he takes will leave to the wisdom of Sri Modi ji. They will not very.
Thank you. We hope to meet you soon after their meeting with the Prime Minister.
This is the name of the